Hello friends, welcome to Civil's Right YouTube channel. My name is Avinash Agarwal. In this lecture, I will be discussing social media is triggering fear of missing out amongst youth, precipitating depression and loneliness. 2024 Civil Services Examination का ये ऐसे topic है from the B section. It's a very important, very nice topic, very relevant topic in the times that we are living in. I'll be providing complete content to you. दिस इज फॉर्डर मटेरियल. इस फॉर्डर मटेरियल को यूज करके आपको ऐसे लिखना है एंड उस ऐसे को आपको मुझे मेल करना है ऑन support@civilsright.com. आई विल प्रोवाइड अ फ्री इवेल्युएशन ऑफ योर एसेस प्रोवाइडेड दैट यू डू योर एफर्ट. आप अपने आप से ऐसे लिखें और उसे मेल करें स्कैन करने के बाद. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द टॉपिक. सो दिस इज द फॉर्डर मटेरियल. आपको इसको एज इट इज कॉपी नहीं करना है, आपको इसको यूज करके अपने भाषा के अंदर अपने आइडियाज को फ्रेम करना है. Right, so we are living in a hyper connected world. Social media obviously is a very important part of our lives. It is there in our mobile phones. We are there on social media. We have our accounts, we have our followers, we are following others, we are uploading photos, posts, videos and whatnot. Right, so whether it is Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, वो तो अभी इंडिया में खैर बैन आ चुका है. राइट, बट ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के माध्यम से वी गेट अ क्यूरेटेड वर्जन ऑफ समबडी एल्सेज रियलिटी. ठीक है. सो इफ आई एम पोस्टिंग अ फोटोग्राफ जिसमें मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, जिसमें बहुत हेल्दी हूँ, जिसमें बहुत वेल्दी हूँ, वो क्यूरेटेड वर्जन ऑफ माई रियलिटी है. राइट, अब क्यूरेटेड वर्जन ऑफ माई रियलिटी को देखकर आपको जलन हो रही है, आप कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो, यू आर फीलिंग लेफ्ट आउट, यू आर फीलिंग डिप्रेस, यू आर फीलिंग लोनली. राइट, दिस इज वॉट द प्रॉब्लम इज. ठीक है. सो द प्रॉब्लम ओवर हियर इज दैट पूरा दिन सोशल मीडिया पे जब आप बैठे रहते हो तो आपको क्यों बैठे रहते हो? बिकॉज यू थिंक दैट अगर आप नहीं बैठे रहोगे तो यू विल मिस आउट ऑन समथिंग. You will miss out on an event, you will miss out on congratulating somebody, you will miss out on laughing, you will miss out on a meme, something or the other. Right, so there is this anxiety जिसकी वजह से हम लोग बार बार में जो है सोशल मीडिया चेक करते हैं ऐप ओपन कर करके, बिकॉज वी फील दैट कुछ ना कुछ रिवॉर्डिंग एक्सपीरियंस है विच वी विल बी मिसिंग आउट. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल इनपुट्स दैट यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड इन योर एसे. सबसे पहला स्टडी दुनिया का जिसने कॉजल लिंक एस्टैब्लिश करा था बिटवीन usage of social media and depression and loneliness, that was a study done by University of Pennsylvania. इसी study के अंदर they also found that the remedy was that reduce the usage of social media, there will be a significant improvement in your mental health. So why is it that social media के ऊपर जाकर जो है आपको फोमो हो जाता है? why is it that आपको वहां पर जाकर जो है फोमो होने के बाद डिप्रेशन एंड लोनलीनेस के सिम्टम्स आते हैं? उसके कुछ रीजंस है. रीजंस ये है कि जब आप अपने आप को पूरा दिन क्यूरेटेड पोस्ट्स के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, क्यूरेटेड रियलिटी के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, सो यू डोंट लाइक योर सेल्फ, यू डोंट लाइक योर रियलिटी, यू डोंट लाइक वेयर यू लिव, वेयर यू स्टे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स यू वेयर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड्स you consume, what kind of styling you do, etc., etc. There is this social currency of likes, shares, and comments. So if you see that somebody else has gotten 300 likes and you have gotten 30 likes or 3 likes, you feel that you are less. You feel that you are inferior somehow. Right? You have this massive fear of missing out, which I've already explained to you. And of course, there can also be online harassment or negative interactions through social media, which can cause a problem to you. राइट, तो मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज जो है सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर अ वैरायटी ऑफ स्ट्रेसर्स की वजह से जनरेट हो सकते हैं. आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड द मीनिंग ऑफ फोमो टू यू. राइट, सो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फोमो इज नॉट न्यू. 1990s के अंदर देर वॉज अ ब्रांड स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट नेम्ड डैन हरमैन. उन्होंने जो है फोमो के बारे में बात करी थी, बट दिस टर्म गॉट रियली पॉपुलराइज इन 2004 व्हेन पैट्रिक मैकगिनिस, हु इज एन अमेरिकन वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट, स्पोक अबाउट इट. 2016 के आर्टिकल में भी फोमो के बारे में बात करी गई है. इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद स्मार्टफोन यूजेज, इट इज एसोसिएटेड विद सोशल मीडिया, it is associated with depression and for need for being in touch with others. Right, why is it that you are there on social media so much? Right, because you have a need to belong. Right, you have this need for strong and stable interpersonal relationships, जो कि अगर आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में नहीं है तो उसका सब्सटीट्यूट आप जो है सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर ढूंढ रहे हैं. राइट, देर आर वेरियस डिफरेंट डायमेंशन ऑफ फोमो जिसको आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं अपने ऐसे के अंदर. देर इज अ सोशल डायमेंशन. राइट, that you're watching somebody else's gathering, watching somebody else's parties, you're watching these photos because ये सारे photos videos इस platform के ऊपर upload करे जाते हैं and you're feeling left out, you're comparing yourself and you're feeling left out. There is a psychological dimension. If you're constantly aware of somebody else's activities and you're constantly comparing yourselves, that is the negative impact or anxiety or depression का source that you are having. Right, moment you start comparing yourself with those who are apparent superiors of yours, you have a low self esteem. Right, this compulsive checking is a behavioral dimension. right? Participation pressure is there. Even you want to, style in a particular manner, speak in a particular manner, sing in a particular manner, and so on and so forth, right? Somebody else's Diwali, somebody else's wedding, you are checking it out and you are feeling that your Diwali is not spectacular enough, your wedding is not spectacular enough. Some influencer is showing you somebody else's luxurious lifestyle and you start feeling bad about yourselves, right? So there are various different dimensions of FOMO that you can kind of speak about, right? अब जैसे for example, if somebody is, let us say, participating in the Sunburn Festival or some cultural fair, or participating in some global fair, or going abroad for some vacation or something, right? That is also something which you are looking at. ठीक है? So the moment you start, using social media a lot, right? So you are basically scrolling up, scrolling down, scrolling up, and every scroll up can possibly give you a moment of gratification, right? So you require instant gratification. You always want gratification. आपको कुछ ना कुछ चाहिए चाहिए बार बार में चाहिए. It's like, how you eat candy. That candy gives you a sugar rush. That is what social media does to you, except for the fact that it is also coming with, जैसे कैंडी आप खाएंगे तो डायबिटीज हो जाएगा, सो वैसे ही सोशल मीडिया कंजम्पशन क्रिएट्स व्हाट इट क्रिएट्स, राइट? So there are these various different dimensions that you can think in terms of highlighting. I've given it to you, right? There is a link, like I said, between FOMO and mental health. What is the link, right? There is a strong correlation. So the idea over here is that you will have FOMO, then you will have anxiety and depression. So there is a psychological mechanism. Given the fact that you have a fear of missing out, it can mean that you have a negative self perception. ठीक है? You will find yourselves lacking in comparison to somebody or someone. You will be socially isolated. आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि अच्छा, I am not going to this event, I am not going to this party, I am not good enough, I am not this, I am not that. Then you will start withdrawing from social activities because you will feel that you are unworthy of participation, nobody is really missing you, and then these feelings can escalate into depression and anxiety disorders, right? So this is, you can have these kinds of stories integrated at some point in your essay. Maybe you can even start with one of these stories, that how a young woman named Sarah, she spent countless hours scrolling through social media, found herself feeling increasingly lonely and depressed, right? So she felt isolated because she was missing out on experiences. She was feeling inadequate because of, a variety of comparisons that she had done with curated reality on social media, and therefore she withdrew from social activities, and that kind of enforced her loneliness. This is the problem we have discussed a lot. What is the solution? We need to get out of this vicious cycle of FOMO, and we need to get into the virtuous cycle of JOMO. What is JOMO? Joy of missing out. What do I mean by joy of missing out? Joy of missing out means being focused on the present, being focused on what you have, being thankful for what you have. So be here and now, be in the present, use self-care, set boundaries. How much social media will you use? What kind of reels will you watch? What kind of people will you follow? Why will you use social media? Will you use social media for being updated with current affairs? You'll use social media to, being updated with sports. So be very, very clear what you're using social media for, and use it in a manner such that it improves your mental, emotional, and physical well-being, right? So the remedy is fairly straightforward, right? We have understood the problem over here, right? So the solution is that don't stop using it completely. Don't suddenly become an ostrich and dig yourself into sand or something like that. That's not the solution. The solution is that these tools are here to stay. ये यहीं रहने वाले हैं, right? हमें इनके साथ deal करना सीखना पड़ेगा, right? So we will have to operate in a manner such that इनका damaging impact कम रहेगा. That is what we need to do. We need to follow safe social practices. So what are the safe social practices that you must highlight? You can convert this into the form of a story, that how, let us say, somebody who is an expert on social media has given this gyan to, let us say, a college, this thing. You can always convert some of this into a fictional story. So you be aware, recognize that there is a problem, because without being aware of the problem, you'll never be able to solve the problem. Audit your social media diet. So just the way you control your calories, you watch what you eat, right? So similarly, you need to control your social media diet, because what you put into your brain, that is very, very important. So don't put kachra into your brain, garbage in, garbage out. Don't do that. Create a better online experience. Like I said, that decide why is it that you are using a particular social media, what is it that you want to get out of it, how is it that it is going to help you in your work, your life, your health, your finances, right, your knowledge, right, your well-being. So decide kariye, and then implement this good behavior and encourage others around you for the same, right? So joy of missing out, you need to be very mindful. The solution lies in mindfulness. You need to practice gratitude, be thankful for what you have, right? Happy go lucky kind of a thing, right? Manifest whatever you want in your life and you will work hard to attain it. Be mindful, right? Be mindful. Observe your thoughts, observe your emotions, right? Try to make sure that, if you are comparing yourselves and making yourself feel like a piece of dash, don't do that, right? Stop doing that. Stop consciously doing that, right? Very clearly set boundaries, right? Set a time that you will be looking at social media X, social media Y, social media Z. Okay, 5 minutes I'll spend here, 5 minutes I'll spend here, 5 minutes I'll spend here. At this time of the day, rest of the day I will not do, because reports after report, even the economic survey mentioned कि कैसे social media का over consumption, sedentary lifestyle put together is making Indian youth useless, right? That is what economic survey 23-24 also spoke about. Have some self compassion. Don't keep beating yourself up black and blue, right? Appreciate what you have achieved, appreciate your challenges, have limited expectations from yourself, have reasonable expectations from yourself. Get the value clarification that you need, consider your core values and priorities, and then decide where you want to waste your time and energy or spend your time and energy. Breathe mindfully and try to live in the moment, try to be happy with what you have got. So if you try to explain to the examiner that how you are going to solve this problem, it's going to be very nice. If you just keep talking about the problem, elaborating upon the problem, and don't give anything, so you'll not be able to fetch good marks. So this JOMO thing, I really appreciated this JOMO thing, right? So that's why I have fetched it from you, right? And you can give some India specific value addition from some current affairs ka reports. I got this one for you, right? That 60% of the children between the age of 5 to 16, they are indicating signs of digital addiction. 1,000 parents का सर्वे करा गया था बातू टेक द्वारा, which is a smart parent solution company, and they found that there is a significant amount of utilization of digital media. आजकल के बच्चे खाना नहीं खाते without looking at TV apparently, right? सो इसकी वजह से उनकी स्लीप क्वालिटी, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, सोशल बिहेवियर एज वेल एज एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस पे एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़ने लग रहा है, राइट? एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट डिजिटल डिटॉक्स एक्सेट्रा तो बहुत दूर की बात है, राइट? पेरेंट्स आर नॉट इवन एबल टू impose parental control features in their smartphones because children are so smart or so stubborn that it doesn't work, right? So this is a real problem that we have to try and solve, right? I have given you a lot of content to write about, to think about through this particular discussion, right? So I hope that you will be writing your essays and sharing them with me. I look forward to receiving them, evaluating them, and then getting connected with you on a long-term basis. Thank you so much. All the best, and Jai Hind to all of you.